So the what, how, why, that from our perspective, and actually I suppose from Simon Sinek's perspective, is we're asking ourselves, what do you do? And then how do you do it? And then why do you do it? And the reason why these apparently innocent questions are so meaningful is because of the why question, which is why Simon Sinek centers so much on it. And he talks about getting to the why. Our belief is that actually the how and the why the how and the what are also very important, particularly in marketing, but also in self-belief and self-realization. So if you dig into the why, it often comes out as an emotive reason. And a really kind of comical example that I came across was from an American sitcom where there's a father and a son sitting in a kitchen, quite a young child, and they're just having a meal. And he asks his father what he does. And his father says, I do building work, I build houses. And then the son says, well, why do you do that? And he said, well, I do it because I need to earn money to keep the family and to keep you and your brother and sister in school and to feed you and to keep the roof over our head. And he said, well, why do you do that? And he said, and so the questions keep coming, why and why? And he ends up in tears, this father, because he actually gets to the very heart of why he's bothered to get married, have children, run a business. And it comes down to something like he's doing it because he saw his parents do it and he admired them for it and he benefited from it and he wanted to create something similar. So that's a great example of how why can be so critical to how we end up doing what we're doing and what we end up doing. We believe also that you can go deeper and that actually it's not just kind of an impact on what you do, but it's also how you go about choosing what you do to do as well, that it can have an impact on.